I was proud to vote recently for the House budget resolution.
Ladies and gentlemen, here's the deal. That $36 trillion number is not going away.
Why are you cutting taxes for billionaires then? Why are you cutting $20 billion in taxes from corporations and billionaires?
We have $37 trillion in debt. Again, the $37 trillion in debt is a real issue. So Medicare and Social Security are not being touched. If we had the interest, I would walk you through how the reconciliation bills would go and the civics behind it, but that may be a little stretch for right now.
Why is a non-elected person running our government? Why?
Like him or not, Elon Musk has brought a lot of really smart people.
If uncovering waste and fraud was the goal, why hire hackers and not auditors and forensic accountants?
We're now seeing that we don't want people to call on the phone to change their direct deposit. Go to a local office. Try to get an appointment at a local office. Right now, you're waiting a month, and we're going to cut more staff. This is not right, and we do not want to see Social Security privatized.
No. Have you checked the Social Security website lately? It doesn't work. Do your job.